Hey there. I hope this video finds you in perfect health. If you're new to this channel, I say a warm welcome to you. So on this very day, I am craving seafood. So I decided to make it. So I got myself blue crabs, washed it, soaked it in salt water, allowed it to sit for some few minutes. I also got some shrimps, cut the head off, cleaned it, as you can see in the video. Also got some corn. I think I got 2 pieces of corn. Peeled it. It was fresh corn. So peeled and then cut into pieces. These are bite sizes, by the way. I also got some mackerel fish, fresh mackerel fish. All right, to start my seafood boil, I went ahead and chopped some onions. Any kind is fine. Habanero pepper, and into a saucepan, I added coconut oil, onions, locust bean powder, anise seed, just to enhance the flavor of my seafood boil. So the technique I'm using is like making a stew, a normal stew. So I go ahead and add some crushed tomatoes and the habanero pepper. I let this cook for some few minutes and add the corn. After boiling for some few minutes, I go ahead and add my mackerel fish. Stir and let it cook for some few minutes. And introduce the blue crabs. Add water and let it boil for a few minutes. Go ahead and add salt to taste, red crushed pepper, white pepper, black pepper, any other spices of your choice. Stir and let it cook. The last thing I'm adding is the shrimp, because it doesn't take too long to cook. Add some onions, stir, let it cook for a few more minutes. And voila! Our seafood boil is ready. Guys, look at this. Look at this food. Tell me you're also not craving it. It tasted so good. And I challenge you, get your ingredients, make yours, and enjoy.